Alright, this is the other elevator at Crown Center here in Kansas City. It's also an Otis Lexan. This one has a working bell. 1. Let's go up to 3. Let's go down to 1 and get a cab view. This looks exactly like the other elevator with carpet everywhere and no handrails. It travels only 3 floors compared to the other one. Coming up?
I'm sorry, we're going down.
Oh, you're coming down?
Yeah, we're going.
I'm going down too.
Oh, okay.
I thought I was at 1 already. So how are you guys doing today?
We're doing good, and yourself?
Pretty good. Just filming some elevators for my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
You guys have a good day.
Fun. You too.
All right, let's go up to 3. There's your indicator, lantern, Otis plate, capacity 2,500 pounds. Here's your phone, Lexan fixtures. Alrighty. 1. All right, now we will go back up to 2. There it goes. And that's it.